Hello, it's me again, and we're gonna start converting some of the apps that we've done previously in the iOS tutorials. All right, so what we have here, I have my old videos and apps here, my old projects here, all of them are here. And then I have created a new folder, and this called folder Swift Videos 2.0, and I copied only the projects that I'm gonna convert. So I have one, the trivia app. This is the one that we're going to create, which is the quiz. It uses arrays and some text editing and things like that. So text handling. So I'm going to do, I'm going to open this project. You double click on it, and automatically it will give you this message saying, "Wait a minute, this is an old project. This is coming from Swift 1.2 syntax. Do you want to convert it?" Yes, we want to convert it. Okay, and if you're lucky, all the errors are gone. But I'm telling you, I've done all of the apps that we have in the videos, and it hasn't been that easy. So we're gonna struggle through it if you want to move to the next big thing, and we'll make it work. Okay, so I'm going to say convert. Click on next. Click on next. And it gave me, this is what should have given me in the playground, by the way, and I was telling you it should give me both the source code and the old source code and the new code. Well, so far, let's see if there's any changes here. Oh, we found some changes, right? The changes are indicated by this. So it's saying I have a variable var here that's going to store this output, a var here that's going to store this string, and an alert view that display those. Well, none of those need to be changed. They're not muted at all. So they are is just holding variables to present it on the screen. So it's saying, well, you know what? Why do you use var? More expensive. Let's use let. So if I click on save, continue, and now all errors are gone and warnings. And we don't have any print line here, so no problem. We don't have an array. We don't have functions with labels, so no problem. We're not sorting functions, so this is fine. For the most part, this is okay. We got one error, and you don't need to worry about that for now. Okay. Well, you can say perform change, but you still have one error. Okay, say continue. Okay, and then fine. And we have one more. No, it's gone. Good. So that error is gone. So now we're happy. We converted it. It still runs on 1.8.0, but you can make it run on the latest release if you want. Now, it's up to you. How would you want to do it? This is usually if you're publishing some apps and software, you want to make sure at least it would run on some older devices. And I'm sure not everybody upgraded to 9.1 or 9.0. Okay, so it's up to you how would you do it, but right now it's set to 8.1. Okay, so now if we go here and run it, it should work. All right, so here is my app, no problem. So that was quick, harmless. All right, let's see if we have another app that we want to convert quickly, smaller one, and then we'll get into the big ones. Do we have, okay, we have a navigation app. Let's try that and see. We have also, remember, we have a navigation app. So let's just copy this here, navigation app, and then convert it. Okay, I'm gonna do convert it here. And open it up. Again, it will give you that. Yes, yes. We have errors here. So we're not as lucky. as we thought. Click on save. All right. What's the errors here? Let's see what they're saying. I haven't, by the way. Oh, this is a common error. Well, when you're using text field anymore, those text fields need to be unwrapped. Okay, and you need to do it by sticking an exclamation mark at the end. Okay, so that is another easy fix. Okay, so those text fields need to be unwrapped. There's more errors. Let's find out what these errors are. I'm not familiar with this. Let's do Command B. All right. This part you don't need. This is related to core data, and the reason is when I created this app, I selected core data by mistake, and we will handle this error when we get to core data. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete all the parts related to core data. And if you don't have it, you don't need to worry about it. And you might not even have it in your code, okay? And if you do, when you create a new project with core data, you will not see this error. Okay, so we're okay now. Wait, except we have this call to this function that we deleted. Okay, so if you run it again, compile it and run it, now you have a new project. This is that error I was telling you about. Okay, I read about it, didn't figure it out yet, but if we figure it out, I'll let you know. Okay. There is this one that we can fix easily. Just do this, perform changes. Okay, so that's fine. Now, if you run it, you will get the navigation app. All right, scene one. There you go. All right, so far, the changes that we've seen, print line, the labels on the parameters, some of the conversion functions like in net instead of toInt anymore. We have the do loop, not anymore. The text field need to be unwrapped, okay? And I'll stop here and we will post more videos with the important apps that we have, such as the core data, table view, and things like this, okay? But for now, those are easy to fix, okay? You should be able to do it. And I will see you on the next video.